Here is a set of highly relevant multiple choice questions MCQs for ITI Electrician first year trade theory covering the request chapters and topics. These questions are carefully selected based on standard nimmi patterns and frequently appear in All India Trade Test CBT exam. AC Fundamentals, question numbers 46 to 55. Question 46. What is the formula for the time period T of an alternating current if the frequency F is given? দেখো টাইম পিরিয়ড দেওয়া আছে টি আর ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি এফ, তার রিলেশনটা কি হবে সেটা জানতে চেয়েছি। এটা পড়েছিল 2021 সালে এবং 2023 সালে। অপশন এ টি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 1/f, অপশন বি টি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এফ, অপশন সি টি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 2πf, অপশন ডি টি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু f/2, option A T is equal to 1/f is equal to correct answer. So answer A is correct. Question 47. What is the form factor Kf of a pure sinusoidal alternating current? এটা এসেছিল 2019-2022 সালে। দেখো অপশন এ 1, অপশন বি 1.11, অপশন সি 1.414, অপশন ডি 0.707, বি 1.11 is correct. Question 48. Which electrical quantity is represented by the formula IRMS multiplied by √2 is equal to option A average value, option B effective value, option C peak value, option D instantaneous value. Option C peak value is the correct answer. Question 49. What is the phase displacement, that is phase difference between phases in a three-phase AC circuit? এটা 2020 সালে 2024 সালে এসেছিল। অপশন এ 90 ডিগ্রি, অপশন বি 120 ডিগ্রি, অপশন সি 180 ডিগ্রি, অপশন ডি 360 degree. Option B is correct answer. Question number 50. What is the relation between line voltage VL and phase voltage VP in a star connected system? এটা এসেছিল 21 এবং 23-এ। অপশন এ VL is equal to VP, অর্থাৎ লাইন ভোল্টেজ সমান ফেজ ভোল্টেজ। অপশন বি VL is equal to √3 into VP, VL is equal to VP by √3, অপশন সি। অপশন ডি হচ্ছে VL is equal to 3 into VP. অপশন বি VL is equal to √3 VP is the correct answer. Question 51. In a pure inductive circuit, what is the relationship between voltage and current. Option A, current leads voltage by 90 degree. Voltage and current are in phase. Option C, current lags behind voltage by 90 degree. Option D, current lags behind voltage by 45 degree. Option C is correct answer. Question 52. What is the unit of inductive reactance XL? AITT 2022. Option A, Henry. Option B, Farad. Option C, Ohm. Option D, Mho. Option C, Ohm is the correct answer. Question 53. What is the formula to calculate impedance Z in a series RLC circuit? AITT 2023. Option A, Z is equal to R square plus X square. Option B, Z is equal to root over of R square plus under bracket XL minus XC a whole square. Option C, Z is equal to R plus XL plus XC. Option D, Z is equal to under root R square minus within bracket XL plus XC a whole square. Option B, Z is equal to under root R square plus within bracket XL minus XC a whole square. Question number 54. What is the power factor of purely resistive AC circuit? 2018 and 2021. Option A, 0. Option B, unity. Option C, 0.5 lagging. Option D, 0.8 leading. Option B, unity is the correct answer. Question 55. How apparent power measured in AC circuit? Option A, kilowatt. Option B, kVAR. Option C, kVA. Option D, kWh. Option C, kVA is the correct answer. Cells and batteries. Questions 56 to 65. Question number 56. Which law states that the mass of substance liberated at an electrode is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the electrolytes? এটা এসেছিল 2020 এবং 2022 সালে AITT এক্সাম। অপশন এ, ওহমস ল। অপশন বি, ফ্যারাডেজ ল, ফার্স্ট ল অফ ইলেকট্রোলিসিস। অপশন সি, ফ্যারাডেজ সেকেন্ড ল অফ ইলেকট্রোলিসিস। And option D, Lenz law. Option B, Faraday's first law of electrolysis is the correct answer. Question number 57. What is the active material used for the positive plate of a fully charged lead acid battery? এটা 2019 এবং 2023 এসেছিল। অপশন এ, lead peroxide, PbO2, lead peroxide. Option B, spongy lead, Pb. Option C, lead sulfate, PbSO4. Option D, lead dioxide. Option A, lead peroxide is the correct answer. Question number 58. Which instrument is used to measure the specific gravity of the electrolyte in a lead acid battery? 2021 and 2024. Option A, hydrometer. Option B, high rate discharge tester. Option C, multimeter. Option D, ammeter. Option A, hydrometer is the correct answer. Question number 59. What is the purpose of connecting cells in a parallel combination? 2018 and 2022. Option A, to increase the voltage rating, to increase the current capacity. Option B, option C, to increase the internal resistance. Option D, to decrease the life of cells. Option B, to increase the current capacity is the correct answer. Question number 60. Which defect in a lead acid battery causes the plates to bend or buckle due to overcharging or over discharging? AITT exam 2020 and 2023. Option A, sulfation. Option B, local action. Option C, buckling. Option D, sedimentation. Option C, buckling. Question number 61. What is the nominal output voltage of a single fully charged lead acid cell? Option A, 1.2 volt. Option B, 1.5 volt. Option C, 2.2 volt. And option D, 1.1 volt. Option C, 2.2 volt is the correct answer. Question number 62. Which method is adopted to charge a battery at a very low rate for a longer duration to cure sulfonation? Option A, trickle charging method. Option B, constant current method. Option C, constant voltage method. Option D, rectifier method. Option A, trickle charging method is the correct answer. Question number 63. What is the capacity of a battery normally expressed in? Option A, volt ampere. Option B, watt. Option C, ampere hour. Option D, kilowatt hour, kWh. Option C, ampere hour, AH is the correct answer. Question number 64. Which electrolyte is used in a nickel iron alkyne cell? Option A, dilute sulfuric acid. Option B, potassium hydride, KOH. Option C, ammonium chloride. Option D, copper sulfate. Option B, potassium hydroxide is the correct answer. Question number 65. How is the local action defect in a zinc carbon dry cell prevented? By coating the zinc container with mercury. B, by adding more manganese dioxides. C. By using plastic cover. D. By changing the cell slowly. By charging the cell slowly. Option A is the correct answer. Basic wiring, earthing and measuring instrument. Question 66 to 75. Question number 66. Which type of wiring is highly safe, fireproof and clean in appearance, making it suitable for modern building construction? 2022 and 2024. Option A, clit wiring. Option B, CTS/TRS wiring. Option C, concealed conduit wiring. Option D, batten wiring. Option C is the correct answer. 67. What is the purpose of intermediate switch in domestic wiring? AITT 2021. Option A, to control a lamp from one place. Option B, to control a lamp for two places. Option C, to control a lamp from three or more places. Option D, to protect the circuit from overload. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 68. What is the recommended maximum load allowed for a single lighting subcircuit according to I rules? AITT exam 2019 and 2023. Option A, 800 watt. Option B, 1000 watt. Option C, 2000 watt. And option D, 3000 watt. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 69. What should be the maximum earth resistance value for a large power station? Option A, 0.5 ohm, 1.0 ohm. Option C, 5 ohm. And option D, 8 ohm. Option A, 0.5 ohm is the correct answer. Question number 70. Which material is filled around the earth electrode in pipe/plate earthing to maintain the moisture? Option A, sand and cement. Option B, charcoal and salt mixture. Option C, copper powder. Option D, dry soil. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 71. Which instrument is used to measure insulation resistance of an electrical installation? AITT exam 2021 and 2024. Option A, Megger. Option B, earth tester. Option C, ohmmeter. Option D, multimeter. Megger. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 72. What type of instrument is an PMMC, permanent magnet moving coil meter? AITT exam 18 and 22. Option A, used for both AC and DC. Option B, used for DC only. Option C, used for AC only. Option D, used for high frequency only. Option B, used for DC only is the correct answer. Question number 73. Why is the scale of a moving iron, MI type instrument non-linear or cramped at the beginning, AITT exam 220 and 2023. Option A, deflecting torque is inversely proportional to current. Option B, deflecting torque is directly proportional to the current. Option C, deflecting torque is proportional to the square of the current, that is theta variegatus I square. Option D, due to air friction damping. Option C, deflecting torque is proportional to the square of the current is the correct answer. Question number 74. How is an ammeter connected in an electrical circuit to measure the current? 2021. In parallel with the load, in series with the load, in series parallel across the supply, directly across the neutral and earth. Option B, in series with the load, is the correct answer. Question number 75. Which type of instrument is an integrating type instrument? AITT 2022 and 2024. A. Ammeter, B. Voltmeter, C. Energy meter, D. Wattmeter. Option C is the correct answer. If you feel I have provided any value by watching this video, please subscribe to my channel DCD Electrical Knowledge to get a notification of next coming videos. Thank you.